stuff coming up that you don't need to miss. And it's a shame that my name you act like don't exist. When you see me coming up, making fuss, catch my dust. Watch me win, pay attention, I'm the one you never mention. I feature while they hating, speculating about that paper. I feature burn the minds, make the fire move on higher. I feature bring fame to the name, make them change it.
So here I go with the hair review that I'm going to do. I ordered this from Amazon. What they call a hair hat. So, to that myself. I don't know if you can see that. I probably have to take a picture and put it kind of on. So, nonetheless, y'all, I decided to try this hair hat wig thing. It looks like this. It came, take the hairnet off. And I did get one, of course, that was has a dark blue tint, kind of streakish color to it, because I like dark blue. So they had it hair netted on there. Let me go ahead and just do my edges. I already have a wig cap on. I just wanted to do this since it came in. This is just my wax that I use on my edges to keep them down. Nothing worse to me than wild hair edges that stick out. So yeah, this just kind of reinforces my edges. And here I go with this wig. This hair, this is how the hair looks. Blue tint, nice. Kind of streakish color. It's not real shiny or wiggy looking to me like I thought it would be. It actually, I have to read the thing and see. I know it's a synthetic LYIN hair, but it's a pretty good grade. Yeah, no shedding so far. But this is how it looks. This is the cap. I'll probably either get a hot glue gun and maybe bedazzle this or put maybe my initial or something on it to, you know, make it really cute. So it won't be plain. And this is how the inside of it looks. And the hair is basically like the track hair is stitched inside the cap. Let's see. Okay. That's cute, y'all. Yeah, this will be really cute going to the ballpark. I would probably put this in a ponytail or something to that nature, but it's cute. Even if you wore it like to the side. Yeah, I think that's cute. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Yeah. Look at that. Good hair, y'all. And that wasn't even a 5-minute, that wasn't even a 2-minute install. That was quick and to the point. So, yep, this would be like a Saturday morning, quick do. I would throw some hoops on. And you wouldn't be able to tell me nothing, girl. Please, I can't find my ear hole. Put my earring on. Talking crazy. Yeah, that's cute, y'all. I like that. Yeah, I really do. So yeah. So that's that. Really cute. I like that. I do see my edges. And it's probably because I slipped that cap up under there. I pushed it back. Matata. It's cute. Shopping, run to the store, whatever. This is cute. I really, really like this, y'all. Look at it. And I would even put it in a ponytail. Wear a ponytail back there. But I like it down. I really like it down. Look how pretty that is. That is so cute. Made me want to put some lipstick, girl. I'll be wanting. That's so little. That's so little. This is the it's a tint. It's a tint. I was doing that today's I was doing that today's lippy thing, y'all, and I stopped doing it. I kept buying so much lipstick. Because I kept just it was ridiculous. This is by Revlon. This is by Revlon. A lip tint. A lip tint cushion. It's called cushion. Girl, I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. Anyway, I wanted to put that on because this is so cute. Because this is so cute. I love these. Hair, y'all. And I think I paid. Altogether my shipping. I think my shipping was maybe $16 or $17. Because I'm hauling the hair, so I got a few other things. I got a few other things from Amazon, and this was from Amazon. But all together with the. I can't remember if I got the. No, I haven't got that part yet. But yeah, I got Amazon. This Amazon was like $14.99. I think it was like $14.99. I'll detail that in the description. But yeah, guys, this hair is. I love this. I love this. Look at it. Turn around so you can see the back. Oh, really cute. Really cute. It is really cute, y'all. It is really cute. Really cute. Yep. Too bad I'm going to the beauty shop tomorrow, but I can't wear this to work though. So this literally is a quick like throw on. You run into the store or you got a game or something. I mean, it's convenient. But don't forget that you get there and get hot sometimes like I do, and you can't take this off. If you take this off, you're gonna a hot mess. Yes. A bun or something. Gotta have some backup hair. Overall, y'all, this is really cute. This is a real cute weekend look to me. I like it. I like it a whole lot. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I have a clothing haul video coming up in the next few days that I was supposed to do earlier, but I had a lot going on, so I didn't get a chance to sit down and eat, take care of it. But I got it over here. I have probably about 6 outfits. Probably well, I could probably make it less than that because some of it is not like one item is new, but I put it together with something that I already had to make it all look different. But anyway, I got the coolest little boots in. Give you a sneak peek. Corduroy boots. Yep, I got that in. That I got to show you with the outfit. But anyway, y'all stay tuned. Thanks for stopping by and watching this video. There's more to come. I appreciate you. Remember to like, share, subscribe. And until next time.
Too thick, ain't no such thing as too thick. What you want, be a toothpick? What you want, get your cool slick?